out some word problems to identify the number of items in equal groups. In order to do that, you're going to need some materials from home, something that you have several of. For example, maybe you could use some pennies or some yummy snacks, like I have some chocolate-covered raisins here, or Cheez-Its, or Wheat Thins, or even Cheerios, something that you have many of. And the cool thing about that is then you can eat them when you're done with your math. Today, I'm going to just be using some Lego pieces. Let's take a look at this first problem. Diego has 15 baseball cards. He puts the same number of cards on 3 pages of his photo book. How many cards will be on each page? So the first thing I want to figure out is, what do I need to figure out? Well, I need to figure out how many cards will be on each page. So I don't forget that. I'm going to put blank cards on each page. Okay. Now I'm going to go back and reread the problem to identify what I already know. Diego has 15 baseball cards. So I know Diego has 15 baseball cards. And he's going to put the same number of cards, that's important, the same number of cards on 3 pages of his photo book. Then how many cards will be on each page? Well, first, I'm going to represent those 15 baseball cards using my Legos. Okay. And that's 15. And then I need to represent the 3 pages of the book. Those are going to be kind of like my equal groups. So I'm going to draw 3 circles to represent the 3 pages. And then I have my 15 Legos to represent my 15 baseball cards. Now, I want to put the same number on each page. So I'm going to take a baseball card and put it on each page. Now, I still have enough to do it again. So I'm going to put another baseball card on each page. And I'm going to keep doing that until I have shared all the baseball cards onto the 3 pages. Now I can double check to make sure I have the same number of baseball cards on each page. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 on this page. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 on this page. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 on this page. So that means Diego is going to put 5 cards on each page. Now I can also write an equation to represent this problem. I started out with 15 baseball cards, and then I broke those cards into 3 equal groups. When we take something and we break it into equal groups, we are doing division. And I divided that into 1, 2, 3 groups, and that left 5 cards in each group, or 5 cards on each page. So the equation that represents this problem is 15 divided by 3 equals 5.